Sky Space, the Royal Tantra on the Great Perfection of Bodhicitta. The supreme heart of unmoving yoga is present in the experience of acting without grasping. This is not something we accumulate. It is not something we produce. It is spontaneously realized. Vajra clear light has no breadth. From Sky Space, the Great Tantra on the Bodhicitta, this is Chapter 10, teaching that Buddhas and sentient beings are perfected in a single awareness. Teaching a way of being in which the Bodhicitta is equal to the sky. Now there is even more to be explained. Vajrasattva, the Blessed One, dwells in the sky, in the bliss of clear light. The mandala that has no border or center expands, and we are brilliantly equal to the end of the sky. This is a way that is present within us all. Our heart essence is the same as the all-pervading. We use our true nature, essence, certainty, analogy and logic to bind ourselves. In the mandala of the space that equals the sky, there is the supreme clear light of an awareness of wisdom. Attributions, non-contrivance, certainty, and certainty through exemplification must be understood. The true nature of this world's attributions is pure. It exists within us all. It is the Dharma of attribution. The heart of the sun is pure. The true nature of this world's attributions is pure. It exists within us all. It is the Dharma of attribution. The heart of the sun is pure. There is no basic foundation for darkness, but through our delusions we see masses of darkness. In the same way, it is the nature of fools to use the personal preferences in the cravings of the 6 classes of living things to make attributions, in which we use our cravings for differences to be beautiful. Some make attributions that work for eternalism and nihilism. Some make attributions that reject the 4 truths. Some make attributions about the ways of the goblins. Some hold to the way of the 2 truths, and for a period of uncountable eons, they work on purification, on the 5 paths and 10 levels.